Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to install free games on Steam. And for this, first of all, search for Steam and open your Steam application. And then right now we go to library, and then from here you see here that we don't have any games because it doesn't look like there's anything in your game library. So from now we click on free to play games. And then right now he will show us a lot of games were free to play. So right now, if you can see just right here, Dota is free, Warframe, he will give us so many options to download. But let's say we want to play Dota, then we click here on Dota. And then right now, if you want to download this, scroll down, and then we click here on Play Game. Then right now he wants to install this. So right now, if we click here on install, he will install the game on our PC. And after this, we can play it by just clicking here on this desktop icon. So this is exactly how you can play free games on Steam. Hopefully this video helped you out. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day and enjoy playing your free games.